Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how smoked turkey is made. Start by preparing a brine with salt, sugar, and aromatics to enhance flavor and moisture. Next, rinse and dry the turkey thoroughly before applying a spice rub to the skin and cavity. Choose a smoking wood like apple or hickory and maintain a low, steady temperature while basting occasionally for even color and moisture retention. In this video, I will explain brining and seasoning techniques for smoked turkey. Mix salt, sugar, herbs, and spices in water and submerge the bird for the recommended time to improve flavor and texture. After brining, rinse and dry the turkey to promote browning, then massage a dry rub under skin and over the surface. Let the seasoned bird rest in the fridge so flavors meld before smoking. In this video, I will help you master the smoking process for juicy turkey. Preheat your smoker and set it to a steady low temperature, then add wood chunks or chips for consistent smoke. Place the turkey breast side up and smoke until the internal temperature reaches the recommended safe level, monitoring both skin color and juices. Allow the bird to rest before carving so moisture redistributes and slices remain tender.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.